time in the meantime.
Mackerel man. Now wash it out good, you know, because it's fucking salt.
I'm going to put this time in there. Make it go and simmer down. Oh dear, this is time.
Garlic, sir. Garlic.
Oh dear.
Skeleton, man. Skeleton him a perform around the back there, you know. To go in there. Rundown, you know. This is rundown, you know. So the people ain't gonna see your rundown workout, you know.
They're going to love it.
They're gonna love it. This one. Watch it there, yeah. Well, I couldn't tell you the feelings, you know. You'd have to eat it, check it out, you know.
To check it out.
You have to check it out. One, me see, from one TV, from one movie, the man eat roach and the man say, how it tastes. Boy, you have to eat it yourself. You have to try it yourself, you know. Hey, this mad man, this wicked action shot the man, brother.
Yes.
Yeah, man. May I get the full 100, you know.
How that? Oh, come on, come down. Now go up there.
Well, look a knife.
Oh dear.
You see?
Oh dear.
Alright.
So I'll put on one more.
Where look a knife?
Let's see.
Not even the big long one, where they? How the blood clot this, man. Move, dog. Me pull out my knife them to find them, you know. Come on, come.
Put the tomato, you know. Make it dry down to high. Tomato.
It's tomato here.
Tomatoes.
This coconut when we make it, it's from 1914.
That coconut will get to the bush today.
1914 coconut, that's.
That tree.
Yeah, 1914. This coconut established, Baba. Yeah, man.
Oh,
Whole time them there, you know.
easy, Baba.
Yeah, man, I him this. Garlic, tomato, scallion, thyme, and salt mackerel.
Salt pepper. So nice, I want out of Joey.
Pepper,
Pepper.
No.
seasoned pepper, scratch bandit, make the food nice. Like the tree where you get, where you see today? Yeah, man. Call that rundown. This is rundown, coconut rundown with salt mackerel. This dish, everybody love it. Every people in Jamaica, this is their favorite heat, you know.
Come on.
Rasta, baldhead, everybody. Yeah, man. This is oil, you know. See it? This is oil. Eh? Run down. You just remember it, say run down. When you run, you know, you can't miss this. Eh? When you're running, you say, oh, okay, Mokko run down. Yeah, people like this, you know, man. But this is the kind of nature what people want, you know. People want to see big chicken and big fish or what, you know. This people want to see. And see how it prepare, how this prepare. So if it work out good, and you set it up good, I know people will come for all this kind of menu, you know. Yeah. Right now it's gonna land.
Boat land.
The boat land.
So gone.
It's done.
So it's pretty.
See it pretty?
Mm.
Okay, sir.
You gonna show that? Yeah.
If you don't get a good shot, you come around here.
Go that side.
Oh, I can see it.
Go that side. Take a
Okay,
go.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. May I back you? You can put it there. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, this is the pepper. This bad, eh? Nah, lucky guys. Because not every people make cook it give, you know.
No, sir.
No, sir, I'm a lucky guy. You know making picture. While in which
I first job to cook this give white people.
yeah, man.